To and a very good morning, brothers and sisters in the Dharma. Welcome to the weekly Sunday Puja in Unison and Dhammansha Online, an initiative of the LW's Council of Malaysia, hosted by MSBS and DVV. It's certainly good to see all of you once again on this online platform. Today is the 21st of December 2025, and today it coincides with the Chinese around the world are celebrating winter solstice, aka Tongzi. Like to take this opportunity to as we usher in the new year, may you continue to stay healthy, radiant, and happy always. I shall now read out the offerings in English. Offering of lights. May we offer these candles, burning brightly, our deep respect and veneration to our enlightened master, the Buddha. May these lights symbolically guide us to the light of Dhamma, which dispels the darkness of ignorance, and to the light of wisdom through the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Offering of incense. May we offer this incense, our deep respect and veneration to our blessed master, the Buddha. May our good deeds be like the fragrance of this incense, cultivating compassion and love towards all living beings. Offering of water. May we offer this clean water to symbolize our aspirations to cultivate the virtues of calmness, clarity, and purity. That it reminds us to diligently cleanse ourselves of our spiritual defilements and delusion through the cultivation of generosity, morality, and wisdom. Offering of flowers. May we offer these flowers our deep respect and gratitude to our incomparable teacher, the Buddha. May these flowers, beautiful as they are now, they will soon be passing of time, will fade and be cast away, reflecting thus on this very nature of unsatisfactoriness, impermanence, and soullessness that has tread the path shown by the Buddha for the eradication of suffering here and now. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dhammang saranang gacchami, Sanghang saranang gacchami, Tutiampi Buddhang saranang gacchami, Tiampi Dhammang saranang gacchami, Tiampi Sanghang saranang gacchami. Tatiampi Buddhang saranang gacchami. Tatiampi Dhammang saranang gacchami. Tatiampi Sanghang saranang gacchami. Panatipata Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Adinadana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Kami Sumichachara Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Musawada Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Surami Raya Majja Pamadatthana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Itipiso Bhagava Arahang Samma Sambuddho Vidya Charana Sampanno Sugato Lokavidu Anuttaro Purisa Dhamma Sarati Satta Dewa Manusarang Buddho Bhagawati Swakato Bhagavata Dhammo Sanditiko Akaliko Ehipassiko Opanaiko Paccatang Vetita Bovinyuiti Supatipanno Bhagavato Sawaka Sangho Ujupatipanno Bhagavato Sawaka Sangho Nyayapatipanno Bhagavato Sawaka Sangho Samicipatipanno Bhagavato Sawaka Sangho Yadidang Cattari Purisa Yugani Yatta Purisa Vokala Esa Bhagavato Sawaka Sangho Ahuneyo Pahuneyo Dakineyo Anjali Karaniyo Anuttarang Punya Ketang Lokasati
Wandami cetiyang sabbang sabbetane supatittitang saririkadatu mahaboding Buddha rupang sakalang sada Yasamule nisinno wa sabbari wijayang aka patto sabanyutang satta wande tang bodhipadapang ime ete mahabodhi lokanatena pujita Ahang pite namasami Bodhi Raja namatute. Ganasarappaditena Dipena tamadangsina Tilokadipang sambuddhang Pujayami tamonudang Ganda sambara yuttena Dupena hang sugandina Pujaye pujaniyang tang Puja bhajana muttamang Adiwase tuno bante Paniyang parikapitang Anukampang upadaya Patiganhatu muttamang Adiwase tuno bante Bojanang parikapitang Anukampang upadaya Patiganhatu muttamang Adiwase tuno bante Gilana paccayang imang Anukampang upadaya Patiganhatu muttamang Wanna ganda guno petang etang kusuma santating pujayami munindasa siri pada saroruhe pujemi buddhang kusumena nena punyena metena jahotu mokkang Upang milayati yatha idang me kayo tatayati vinasa bhawang Akasatha ca bummata Devanaga Mahiddhika Punyang tang anumoditva Chirang rakkantu lokasasanang Akasatha ca bummata Devanaga Mahiddhika Punyang tang anumoditva Chirang rakkantu desanang Akasatha ca bummata Devanaga Mahiddhika Punyang tang anumoditva Chirang rakkantu mang paranti Devo vassatu kalena Sassa sampati hetuca Pito bhavatu lokoca Raja bhavatu dhammiko Idang me nyatinang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo Idang me nyatinang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo Idang me nyatinang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamu Satang samagamo hotu yawa nibbana pattiya Kayena vacha cittena pamadena maya katang Acayang kamame bante Buri panya tathagata Kayena vacha cittena pamadena maya katang Acayang kamame dhamma sandittika akalika Kayena vacha cittena pamadena maya katang Acayang kamame sangha supatipanna anuttara Karaniya matta kusalena yantang santang padang abisamecca Sakko uju ca suju ca suwaco cassa mudu anatimani Santussako ca subaroca appakicco ca salla bukavutti Santindriyo ca nipako ca appagabbo kulesu ananugiddo Nachakudang samacare kinci yena vinyu pare upawadeyong sukino wa kemino hontu sabbe satta bhavantu sukitatta Ye kecipana bhutati tasawata warawa anawasesa digawa ye mahantawa majjima rasakanu dittawa ye wa addita Ye ca dure wasanti avidure. Bhutawa sambhave siva. Sappe satta bhavantu sukhitatta. Naparo parang nikubeta. Nati manye tekatta cinang kanci. Biaro sana patigasanya. Na nyamannya sadukka miceya. Mata yathani yang putang. Ayusa eka putta manurake. Ewam pisab babutesu. Manasang bawaye aparimanang. Metang jasap pelokasming. Manasang bawaye aparimanang. Udang ado cetirian ce. Asang badang awerang asapatang. Titang carang nisinowa. Sayano waya watassa vigata middo. Etang satin aditteya. Brahmametang viharang idamahu. Titinja anupagamma silawa. Dasanena sampanno. Kame suvinaya gedang. Nahi jatu paseyang punareti. Etena sacha vachena sotite hotu sabbada. Etena sacha vachena sotite hotu sabbada. Etena sacha vachena sotite hotu sabbada. By this declaration of the truth, may you be safe at all times. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Thank you very much, Sir Cheng, for today's puja chanting. Now let us dedicate those memories we have accrued to all beings, whether they're seen or unseen. Akasatha cha bummatha deva naga mahiddhika punyang tang anumoditva chiram rakkantu loka sasanang ettavata cha amhehi sampadang punya sampadang sabbe deva sabbe bhuta sabbe satta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. And aspirations. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo satang samagamo hotu yavani vana pattiya. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you everyone for watching. For other videos, please visit the links below. See you again next week. Bye bye for now.